this is our tray, and these are our little images which we've already done a hypothesis on what things are gonna move and what things aren't gonna move. So Tahila's gonna be trying the experiment shortly. She'll try to blow air on each of these objects and see what moves and what doesn't, and accordingly she'll be sticking the pictures in these two columns here. So we'll move on now to our experiment. So here we are at the end of our air science experiment. So as you saw in the video, Taylor did have a great time blowing air on each of the objects and recording what happened to them. As you can see, the only difference here in her hypothesis and recording sheet is that she thought that when she'd blow air on the sketch pen it wouldn't move. Instead, when she did blow air on it, it moved, and so she put it down here. We hope you enjoyed this video of ours. Do stay tuned for more videos. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.